Let's discover the letters of the alphabet together. Take a look at letter C. C is for castle. C is for cake. C is for cup. Cup. C is for cab. C is for corn. C is for cat. Cat. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Won't you come and sing along? C is for castle. C is for cake. C is for cup. Cup. C is for cab. C is for corn. C is for cat. Cat. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Let's learn each letter one by one. C says K. C says K. C says K. C is for crown. C is for cow. C is for cap. Cap. C is for can. C is for candy. C is for cape. Cape. Great job learning about the letter C. Can you think of some more words that begin with the letter C? I know you can.
If you like this video, click the bell and find out when our next video is available. Subscribe here or